What's up, everyone? We are in Belton for the Belton Ham Fest. Here we go. So today is Friday, and if you've been to Belton, you know it's kind of a 2-day thing, unofficially. So we got a table this year, and before we go check in, we figure we go walk around and see what's outside in the tailgate. We got our table set up here, and here we go. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty warm in here right now. People just setting up, so more people coming in on a Friday. These are computer people. They're here like every year. They got a bunch of computer stuff right over here. So, yep. We're against the back wall over here. Hopefully we'll get a lot of traffic in the morning. If you're wanting a light, there's a light. Some more lights. Wish I had something that big to put a freaking light on. That's that size of light. Morning, everyone. It is Belton Hamfest Day, actually on Saturday. We're one of the first to get here, that way I could eat some breakfast. But as you can tell in the last shot of me leaving on Friday afternoon yesterday, the parking lot was, it looked really bad. I don't know if it's going to get any better, because usually on Friday afternoon, Friday evening. It's pretty busy, but not this time around. And I hear probably because the problem is gas. But you may wonder why I have this microphone in my hand. Well, I just figured I'd maybe interview some people. Interview some people. How about that? Well, look at this stranger right here.
Welcome to Belton Hamfest there. We're here live today. This here is Daryl. Parking lots are full. Look like the more tailgating stuff going on than we had yesterday out here.
You may be famous on YouTube.
You think? Man. Hey, you know, we need another video there, you know. And everybody, if it sees this, come to Shreveport August 7th and 8th of August. Daryl, what do you have to say?
There's more people here than there were yesterday.
Yeah, there's nothing to this outside. And I think the reason why is because of, the gas prices. But one cool thing about this is that I live, pretty far away from here, but I've, lived, 15 years around here. And so every now and then I see somebody I know, and I caught up with the guy. I should have filmed it from back in my CB days. He's out here selling stuff, and hot rod. I think they allow troublemakers from Shreveport, Louisiana to come here. What do you think about that?
Man, they're in some trouble then, so we got plenty of them around here.
Having a great time at this Ham Expo here with Billy and Miguel. We had just a great time coming over. There was a lot of shenanigans. This is nothing like Shreveport's Ham Fest. It's really kind of embarrassing. I kind of feel bad for the people that had to attend this and don't know how amazing the Shreveport Ham Fest is. So they definitely should check out the Shreveport Ham Fest.
John had to foot the gas bill for us to drive all the way over here for this.
No, I'll tell you the worst that we got is the one gas station that we stopped at for breakfast this morning doesn't have breakfast.
Really don't know why I need the hand mic now, but we've got it anyway. So Belton Ham Fest is over. I'm like completely done with CB radio, like for good. Like my last CB that's worth anything got sold to an old friend of mine. One of those. I got one of those. These are antennas. Didn't expect to really get these. I was like, what are those? So you must be new here. I guess they don't make those anymore. What do they call it? A cage? A rack? I don't know, to put my Yaesu 857 in. I came here wanting to get stuff for POTA, and I got stuff for POTA. I came here to get a Yaesu 500. I did not get a Yaesu 500. I wanted a Yaesu 500, but no one wants to sell them because they're good radios. Belton has Hamfest 2 times a year. Did not see any YouTubers that I would, of course I'm not a big YouTube ham radio watcher guy, but I know a few, and I didn't see any here, so, which is kind of surprising. I blame it on the gas. I blame it on everything. If you are interested in Hamfest, we have our Shreveport Hamfest August 7th and 8th. Ham Radio Outlet will be there. It's the ARRL Delta Convention, and it'll be a fun time. So if you want more information, go to k5sar.com. You could register, you can get tables on there and all that kind of stuff. But from Belton, Texas, I am out of here. 73.